It's time for OTV Top 10.
This is Akanksha. You're listening to OTV Top 10. Today is the 25th of December and here are the top news of the day. Candidates contesting the Panchayat elections in Odisha will now have to share information regarding their criminal antecedents, assets and educational qualifications at the time of filing nominations through an affidavit. Such disclosures through an affidavit have been made mandatory as per the amendment of Odisha Panchayat laws promulgated through an ordinance. The state government has promulgated the ordinance, the Odisha Panchayat Laws Amendment Ordinance 2021, to amend the Odisha Gram Panchayat Act 1964, the Odisha Panchayat Samiti Act 1959 and the Odisha Zilla Parishad Act 1991. A gazette notification in this regard was issued by the Odisha Law Department on Friday. As per the provisions, the candidates contesting the elections for Sarpanch, Samiti members, nominee or Zilla Parishad members all have to compulsorily submit the complete profile information during their nomination. Besides, there is a provision of 6 months jail term or with fine or with both for candidates giving false information or concealing any data. People across Odisha on Saturday got much respite from cold wave conditions after the minimum or night temperature registered a gradual fall in the past 24 hours. As per a bulletin issued by the India Meteorological Department, Sundargarh was the coldest place in the state with a minimum temperature of 8 degrees Celsius. Daringbadi and Phulbani in Kandhamal district recorded minimum temperature of 8.5 degrees Celsius. A total of 9 towns in the state recorded minimum temperatures below 12 degrees Celsius. Tom Holland starrer Spider-Man No Way Home has become the biggest movie of the year worldwide. It's set to cross the $1 billion mark on Christmas Day. At 11 days, it would be the second fastest to hit that milestone. It would also be the first theatrical release of the pandemic to join the $1 billion club, even without China, the largest box office market in the world. No Way Home made $29.3 million domestically on Thursday, bringing its 7-day gross to $385.8 million, the third highest 7-day gross of all time, the highest 7-day gross in the Spider-Man franchise, and the second highest 7-day gross ever for December and for a superhero film. One of India's most successful off-spinners, Harbhajan Singh, announced his retirement from all forms of cricket. The 41-year-old from Punjab took 417 wickets in 103 tests, 269 wickets in 236 ODIs, and 25 scalps in 28 T20s in his illustrious career. Harbhajan, who made his India debut during an ODI against New Zealand at Sharjah in 1998, last played for the country in March 2016 during a T20 against the UAE at Dhaka. One of the most memorable moments in his international career was when he snapped 32 wickets in 3 tests, including the first test hat-trick by an Indian against Australia in March 2001. As the debate rises in India over a new coronavirus strain being called Delmicron, leading health experts advise people not to pay heed to rumors and wait for the global health agencies like the World Health Organization or US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention to confirm or deny the presence of such COVID variant. Several news reports talking about Delmicron surfaced this week in India, quoting Dr. Shashank Joshi, a member of Maharashtra's C19 task force, who said that Delmicron, the twin spikes of Delta and Omicron in Europe and US, has led to a mini tsunami of cases. There is no such COVID variant as of now, and there is no information either on another mutation of the SARS coronavirus 2 virus after Omicron, which is spreading wildly worldwide. Neither the Indian Council of Medical Research or ICMR nor the Indian National COVID-19 Task Force has spoken about the presence of the so-called Delmicron. Actor Vijay Sethupathi is to play the lead along Katrina Kaif in upcoming thriller Merry Christmas that is to be directed by Sriram Raghavan. The film that is being produced by Ramesh Taurani and Sanjay Rautrai is scheduled to release on December 23, 2022 on the Christmas weekend. Sriram Raghavan is best known for directing an immensely successful Andhadhun featuring Tabbu, Ayushmann Khurrana and Radhika Apte. Vijay Sethupathi, who has made a name for himself in the Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam film industries, is already acting in another Hindi film called Mumbaikar, which interestingly is a remake of the Tamil superhit film Managaram. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh greeted the nation on the occasion of Christmas. Taking to Twitter, the Prime Minister said, "We recall the life and noble teachings of Jesus Christ, which placed topmost emphasis on service, kindness and humility." Other politicians such as the Union Law Minister Kiren Rijiju also wished people by sharing a video of him on the social media platform. In view of rising COVID COVID-19 cases, Christmas is being marked across the world with many restrictions. In India too, prayer meetings were held in churches across the country following COVID protocols. Pakistan and the Taliban government have reached an understanding to resolve the issue of border fencing through talks after Taliban soldiers last week tried to disrupt the fencing along the eastern province of Nangarhar. The official who spoke on condition of anonymity because of the sensitivity of the issue said a local intelligence chief of the Taliban tried to remove the fence and it was not a decision approved by the Taliban leadership. Soon after the incident, Pakistan and the Taliban established contact at the highest level and agreed to resolve the issue through talks. The 4th National Para Badminton Championship was inaugurated by the Odisha Sports Minister Tushar Kanti Behra at Bhubaneswar. As many as 550 para shuttlers, including 2 Khel Ratna awardees, 4 Arjuna awardees, and more than 100 international players from 28 states are participating in the 3-day event that will conclude on December 26. The event was originally supposed to be held in March last year. However, it was postponed owing to the COVID-19 pandemic. The event will be conducted at 2 venues, East Coast Railway Indoor Stadium and Udan Badminton Academy in the capital city. Popular short video sharing platform TikTok has surpassed the tech giant Google as the most popular website of the year. According to a report by IT security company Cloudflare, the viral video app gets more hits than the US-based search engine. The rankings show that TikTok knocked Google off the top spot in February, March and June this year and has held the number 1 position since August. In 2020, Google was first and a number of other sites including TikTok, Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft and Netflix were all in the top 10. As per report, it is believed that one of the reasons for the surge in TikTok's popularity is because of the COVID-19 pandemic, as lockdowns meant people were stuck at home and looking for entertainment. That's it for today. For news in detail, visit odishatv.in, Odisha's premier destination for news updates in English. This is Akanksha signing off.